Hey guys, welcome to chapter 1 of Decca 9. I know you'll be waiting patiently for this chapter to come, and we'll be experiencing 4 situations in the story. And let's see, where is our hero? Aaron. Oh, here he is with his grandmother listening at the story. Okay, let me give you a brief info about Aaron. His full name is, well, I remember I told you in the introductory chapter firstly. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. The link is lying in the description box. You'll know much more about Dick Canine. So, he only lives with his grandmother who is very sick, going to die. Little time is left and Aaron doesn't know. He's only 6 years. And on 18 December 1945, she passed away. Aaron was in a big shock of disappointment. His tears weren't coming. Nobody was ready to adopt Aaron except his auntie. But his uncle wasn't ready. He also scolded his auntie. And in disappointment, his auntie also left. He cried and cried all night and then slept. Now let's see what's the next situation on our list to be introduced. So, situation number 2. Now let's move to Mary. Mary, where are you? Oh, here Mary is with her father. All nicely set for bad times. But on 18 December 1945, his father was during a business trip. He had a really severe and bad accident that he couldn't survive even, and during his last stage, he decided to distribute all his wealth in poor and needy. And Mary was in a big shock that why her father didn't give her anything. And all the money, which was about 14.20 million, were distributed among the orphans and the poor people. Mary was just in a big shock that what has happened. So at that time, Mary was of only 8 years at that time. And one thing I forgot to mention about her personal life is that she also has a younger sister. Now, her name is Sarah, who is very beautiful. Mary was also, but Sarah means more, and was adopted by her uncle. She was of only 2 years only, and then nothing happened. Now let's move to situation number 3, and Mary was alone in situation number 2. Now situation number 3 is a bit boring. Now let's see who's next. Lisa, hey! Here is Lisa, the third situation owner. And why is Lisa crying, or why is she sad? Do you have same question in mind? Well, for that, let's move to 5 days before and see what has been happening to her. So, wait, let me mention something. Lisa's parents who died when she was, I'm not confirmed. Well, she lives with her uncle who named all his property for her and passed away. She cried and cried although she had all the property. She was 9 and could survive on her own. She was trying to live on her own, but in a day, all her property was taken by a greedy man who claimed that it was his property. Now, Lisa was a kid and didn't knew that he was lying. It's a fraud. He took all her money, house, cars, and property. He took everything, claiming that it is all his. But what can we do now? All has gone now. Lisa is now left alone. And the situation, let's see, another situation, number 4. It's a bit interesting than back ones. And situation number 4, Aris. Where is Aris? Hi. Oh, finally, someone heard us. Tell your story, Aris. Okay. So I don't know where am I and where are my parents, and when I was at an age to understand who am I and what is world. I only notice this woman and her daughter. We don't know who they are. From we, I meant me and my sister Anna. She didn't let me know who are they, and we live in a forest, very far away from the city and very far away from the world. I have no problem, but they are not our parents. What do you know about Evan, Mary, and Lisa? Oh, them, they are. Well, bye.